Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video tutorial, I will make you familiar with the SolidWorks. As one of my friend told me that they are not familiar with the SolidWorks and the new freshies of engineering major or new students of engineering field, they are not familiar with this software. I am not going to tell you about the origin of this software, who founded this, why it is used. You all know that it is design and simulation software. I will simply make a, as you go to the new, you will see three sub windows appear or subsections: part, assembly and drawing. In part we create 3D representation of a single design component, and in assembly we assemble the 3D arrangements, and in drawing we can make 2D engineering drawing of a part or assembly. So what I will do, I will simply make a 2D sketch: front plane, top plane and side, front view, top view and side view of this object. I will consider this as a front view. Here it is. I will consider this as a front view, and of this object I will make front view, side view and top view. So let's go to the parts. In this video tutorial I will make you familiar with the commands I will use. I will use line command, mirror command, dimension and etc. Here you can see three planes. Front plane, it is hidden. You can also make it visible by simply show. No, it's visible. So choose front plane, make it hidden. Simply choose front plane, sketch. So what I will do, I will choose the line command. I will draw a center line from here to here. Here is the unit tab. You can click or choose your units: meter, kilogram, second, centimeter, gram, second, or US customary units, etc. So what I will do, I have chosen a line command and I have drawn a center line. So I will again draw a center line from here to here. So what I will do, now you can see that for front view from this side I need a rectangular box and two circles. So what I will choose, I will draw a center rectangle here. Now you can see that this is square, so what I will do, I will give dimensions. Okay, go to dimensions. I will choose any dimensions of 60 millimeters by 60 millimeters. Okay, now you can see that I have made a square. Go choose the circle command. With this point in center point, draw a first circle of outer edge. Okay, again choose the circular command, draw another circle. Here it is. Now the front plane is, or front view of this object is complete. So what we will do, we will again draw the top view from this side. Top view from this side. What we simply do, we will draw a top plane or top view below the front view, because we are using first angle of projection. So I will again use the center rectangle with center point here. You can see the exact dimensioning line already placed by the software up to this line. No, we are fine. So you can see that these two circles are hidden in this. So what we will do, we have to draw other from this up to this circle. from this line draw a outer, or what I want to say, the bulge end of the circle. Now you can see we are not done with the top view as well. We have to draw another line from this point to this point, and again this point to this point, and for inner circle as well, select line command from inner circle as well, from this point to this point, as the inner circle goes through this object. So we will again draw another line from this point to, no, I want to make the objections, yes, this point to this point. Now what we will do, we will simply zoom in, we will simply select this line, select this line, select this line, and select this line. We will simply go there and we will select line types. Okay, we will simply go here, model, motion study. So we will simply go to the model, and here we will make weight. What we simply do, we have made the top plane. I want to make these lines hatched, so I will tell you later. Simply make the side view from this side, from this side. So the side view and the top view will be the same. So we will select center rectangle up to this point, here it is, and then we have to draw another view of this object. Simply choose, go to this circle and draw the corresponding line, select line command, go to this circle and draw the corresponding line. So what I do, I will simply draw a corresponding line from here to here. Now you can see our side view is almost complete. Simply select from this to this as it goes through the whole object. So I have to draw another line as well for this circle, from this line to this line, and again choose line command for other as well. From this line to this line. Okay, now our drawing is complete. We can give the dimensions here as well, but the dimensions here are the same as here. So we will give here, if we give here 15, we must give here 15 because the side is same. Now you can see our drawing is almost ready. So now what I will do, I will simply control 7 or control 1, or you can click here, zoom to fit. Now it is fit to our window. What I will simply do, I will simply press Ctrl S, and I will save this to the desktop as part 1. Save it. Now I will make 3D of this object. Simply close it. Again go to the new, select part, simply go to the front plane. I will show you how to make an object from the sketch. We have chosen sketch on the front plane, select center rectangle, Here it is. OK. Select smart dimensions 60 by 60 since we have chosen 60 on the sketch. Here it is. Now what we will do, Control 7, feature extrude up to 15 millimeters since we have chosen 15 on the side. OK. Select this surface, make it normal. Sketch, select circle command and inner circle. OK. Control 7 for the isometric view, feature extruded boss base command up to 15 millimeter. OK. Now select this face, make it normal and simply sketch. We have to draw another circle which goes through the whole object as an extrude cut. Now we have chosen the circle. OK. Control 7 for isometric view, simply select extrude cut through all. OK. Now you can see here my object is ready. It is not fully ready, so what we will do, we will simply select this edge, press control, select this edge, select this edge, select this edge also, this bottom edge also, and top edge also, this edge also. So what we will do, oh sorry, don't select this surface. Again press control, select this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge. Make it fillet up to, for the radius of 2 millimeter is fine. Here it is. Now it is filleted up to 2 millimeter of radius. We will use the same command, fillet command, to fillet this. Don't select this face. Carefully zoom in. Select this edge and again press control key. Select this edge and this edge also. Again filleted up to 2 millimeters. Here, oh, that's something we want. Control 7 isometric view. No, it is very much near to this, but to make it little bit flat, what we will simply do, select control fillet to make it edit. Instead of 1 millimeter, what we will simply do, we'll choose 2 millimeter. Instead of 2 we use 1. OK. Now we have gotten a little bit flat surface exact to our component. So this is how we use the SolidWorks to make a sketch, and then we use again that sketch to make a 3D object. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video, watch my videos, and also comment it, how can I improve my videos. Your comments will be very helpful for me. Thank you very much.